What color?
Nano.
Good. What's that?
Wood.
What's this?
Tea.
Very good. What color?
Wool.
Good. What's this?
Apple.
Let me have your juice.
Ball.
What's this one?
Cocoa.
Very good. What are these? I'll give it to you when you're all done. What are these?
Movie.
Very good. What color? Good.
Pool.
Very good. Okay, let's hang on, Ashlyn. Let's do this page. Do you see blueberries? What color?
Pink.
Very good. What's this?
Purple. Pink. Mango.
That's close. What's this?
Pink. Pink. Done.
Very good. Let's go to this color. What color is that?
Purple.
Very good. Do you know what this is?
Purple. God.
That's close. It's very good. What color?
Horses.
Ashley, what's this?
Horse.
What is it, Ashley?
Horse.
What's this? What is that? Good. Bryson, what color?
Kiki. Ball. Ball. Ball.
Try again. What color?
Duck.
Good. What's this? Okay, how else can you say it? What about k? Say it loud. What's this? Good. What's this? Okay, say it out loud. You can. What color? I can't hear you. Say it loud.
Nut.
Good. What are these?
Shoes.
Good. What's this?
Bubble.
Ashley, what's this?
Apple.
Good. Let's go to this. What are these?
$2.
What are these?
These.
It's close. What color?
5.
What's this?
4. 5.
What is it?
5.
Good. What's this?
Good.
That was very good. What color? It's gray. What's this? Okay, what's this?
No, Mom, it's shoes.
Ashley, where's your juice? No, that's Bryson's. There's yours. Say bye-bye.